Good morning, my name is Napurski. We're going to go ahead and discuss some of the primer things that you need to know before you start subnetting. One of them is the valid address classes and what the valid IDs are in the leading bit of each address. So for Class A, it's 1 to 126. Class B, it's 128 to 191. And then it's 192 up to 223. You notice there's a gap between Class A and Class B. We're not using 127. Why? 127 is the loopback address. Okay, this is reserved for software testing. So if you want to ping localhost or ping the loopback address, if your machine's set up properly, it'll go ahead and respond to that command. So now let's go ahead and move on to the next thing, which is just a discussion on prefix notation. And these are some basic concepts that you need to understand. In that, let's write the default subnet mask for each class of address. And now let's convert that to binary and then show you how we get prefix. So 255 in binary is this. So 255.0.0.0 in dotted decimal equals this in binary, 8 ones, and then the rest of the bits all are turned off, which equals /8. 8 is the number of bits that are turned on for the mask. So this is always how you calculate prefix. Okay, if I borrowed one additional bit here, it would be, this bit would turn on and it would be /9. Let's go ahead and do Class B. Notice again, 16 bits turned on, okay, 255, dotted decimal, changed to binary, gets us /16, 16 bits borrowed. If I turned on one additional bit, I would change this to /17. Lastly, Class C, 255 in dotted decimal converted to binary, 24 bits total gets us a 24-bit mask, or /24. Again, borrow an additional bit. If I turn this on, this would change to /25. You need to understand prefix notation. You'll see it on a lot of Cisco networking diagrams. It is much more convenient than writing dotted decimal, and particularly more convenient than writing binary. What you do need to understand at the basic level, though, is that your router and switch sees binary. You have to get down and think at the level that the switch and the router work at when you're solving complex problems, because you can get lost in dotted decimal. Some of this stuff is hard to convert. You can't just do it in your head, but if you do it the way the router and the switch sees it, you'll find it easy and regularly repeatable. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day.